Once upon a time, in a beautiful green garden, there lived a little child and a baby elephant. The little child was cheerful and loved to play all day. The baby elephant was kind, playful, and very friendly.
Suddenly, a colorful ball rolled into the garden.
They start playing ball. The child threw the ball, and the baby elephant caught it with its trunk. They started playing ball. The child threw the ball, and the baby elephant caught it with its trunk.
They daffed, played, and enjoyed every moment together. Why? They learned that friendship makes every game more fun.